Hello my dears, in the previous class we were discussing about the chapter integers exercise 1.1. Today we can deal with question number 7. Okay, in a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. Here we have got two squares and we want to find which one is a magic square. The condition is in a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. So next we are going to find out is it a magic square or not. First we can take question number 1. In this question, first we can check which are the numbers in rows and which are the numbers in columns and which are the numbers in diagonals. Okay, 5, -1 and -4 are in row number 1. -5, -2, 7 are in row number 2. 0, 3, -3 are in row number 3. Okay. Then 5, -5, 0 are in column number 1. Then -1, -2, 3 are in column number 2. Then -4, 7, -3 are in column number 3. And which is the diagonal here? See, this line is the diagonal. What are the numbers lying on this line? 5, -2, -3. The first diagonal we can represent by D1 and this is the second diagonal. -4, -2 and 0 are lying on that diagonal and it can be represented by D2. Next we are going to find out the sum of the numbers in R1 and then sum of numbers in R2 and then sum of the numbers in R3. First we are going to find out the sum of the numbers in R1 equal to, what are the numbers in R1? 5, -1, -4. First we can select these two numbers because these two are negative numbers, so keep it in a bracket. Then after that 5, write down 5 as it is and find the sum of these two negative numbers. What will be the sum of these two negative numbers? Both are of having same sign. So -5 will be the sum and then 5 plus -5 will be giving us 0. 5 -5 plus -2 plus 7. So -5 and -2, keep it in a bracket because both are negative numbers. Then after that, adding these two negative numbers, we will be getting -7 and remaining number positive 7. Adding these two numbers, -7 and +7, we will be getting 0 as the answer. Equal to 0 plus -3 plus 3. Okay, we know keep these two numbers in a bracket because after adding this will be giving us the value 0. So 0 plus -3 plus +3 will be giving us 0. 0 plus 0, again answer is 0. Sum of the numbers in C1. What are the numbers in C1? 5, -5 and 0 equal to 5 plus -5 plus 0 equal to 5 plus -5 will be giving us, first we are going to do this calculation. 5 plus -5, 0 plus remaining 0. So the answer is 0. Sum of the numbers in C2 equal to +-2 plus 3. So we can keep these two negative numbers in a bracket. Then the sum will be negative 3. Then the remaining number is 3 itself. So the sum will be 0. Sum of the numbers in. So we can collect the negative numbers as first, that is minus 4 plus minus 3 plus 7. Now keep these two negative numbers in a bracket. Then minus 4 plus minus 3 will be giving us minus 7 plus remaining number is 7. So the answer will be 0. Next we are going to find out the sum of the numbers in D1 and sum of the numbers in D2. 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. The numbers lying on this line, okay, equal to 5 plus minus 2 and minus 3 are negative numbers. So keep it in a bracket. Then 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 again will be minus 5. Then the sum will be 0. Sum of the numbers in D2 equal to, so we can keep these two negative numbers in a bracket. Then the answer will be, after adding, the answer will be minus 6. Then remaining number is 0. Then minus 6 will be the answer. This is the one and only one sum we got as different. So definitely we can say that this is not a magic square. So my answer is. Next we are going to check whether the second one is a magic square or not. In the same way, this is R1, this is R2, this is R3, this is C1, C2 and C3. And this line, the numbers lying on this line is D1 and the numbers lying on this line is D2. First we are going to find out the sum of the numbers in R1. Sum of the numbers in R1. What are the numbers in R1? 1 plus minus 10 plus 0. Keeping these two numbers in a bracket. 1 plus minus 10. Both are different. So just subtract and give the sign of the greatest number. After subtracting we will be getting 9 and the sign of the greatest number is negative. Then negative 9 is our answer. Then with that negative 9 just add 0. Then the final answer is negative 9. Okay. Next we are going to find out the sum of the numbers in R2. Sum of the numbers in R2. What are the numbers in R2? Minus 4 plus minus 3 plus minus 2. Here all are negative numbers. So just add all the numbers and give the sign as negative. So minus 4 plus minus 3 plus minus 2. Minus 9 is the answer. Sum of numbers in R3. What are the numbers in R3? Minus 6 plus 4 plus minus 7. So first we can take all the negative integers as first numbers. So minus 6 plus minus 7. Taking this minus 7 near to minus 6. Then remaining number is positive 4. Then keep these two negative numbers in a bracket. We will be getting the answer as minus 13. Minus 13 plus remaining number is plus 4. Then the answer will be again, see, both are different sign. Just subtract both the numbers and give the sign of the greatest number. After subtracting these two numbers, we will be getting 9, and the greatest number, sign of the greatest number is negative. So negative 9 is the answer. Sum of numbers in D1. What are the numbers? 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 7. Here, keep these two negative numbers in a bracket. Then we will be getting, just write down 1 as it is. Then the answer of these two numbers is minus 10. Then the final 1 plus minus 10 will be giving us minus 9. Sum of numbers in D1. What are the numbers? 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 7. Here, keep these two negative numbers in a bracket. Then we will be getting, just write down 1 as it is. Then the answer of these two numbers is minus 10. Then the final 1 plus minus 10 will be giving us minus 9. Why? Both are different sign and addition. So just subtract both the numbers and give the sign of the greatest number. Here greatest number have negative sign. So negative 9 is our answer. Now we got all the sums are minus 9. So definitely we can say that this is a magic square. I hope you enjoyed my class. If you have any doubt about this, you can definitely ask to me through comment box. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Signing off, Femi Bijoy from Max Ninjas.